Yes, I walk on. They up another session, you know. Just say it reasoning session. Yeah, man. It's a lioness. Not shame, man, you know. And as usual, we keep it real. Keep it simple. Try to use as much simple words as we can, because we prefer simple words, you know. Yeah, we don't like make things hard, we like simple words, because simple words make, you know, make the chaos not look so chaotic. Yeah, so we like simple words. And we don't trust the English language, you know. We don't trust it. No. The English language is a spell language. You know what this is? A spell language full of blood clot spells. Yeah. English language. So we're not too dwell upon that. And remember, so this is a channel for adults. And we're catering to the adult mind. The mature mind. Who understand, overstand, understand, or who try. They understand themselves or find themselves or overstand themselves and continue upon their mission, you know. Because once you find yourself, you find your purpose, eh? Yeah, man, once you find yourself, you find your purpose, man. Once you find yourself, you find your purpose. And you don't become a loyalist, or I think that is an English word, a lie. You don't become loyal to fuckery when you find yourself. When you find yourself, there's no need for you to be loyal to fuckery. And that's how we rank that we go to them, being loyal to fuckery. Because you have some good people, you know, good people, but them compromise. Them compromise because of who them associate with, and through that, them become loyal to fuckery instead of loyal to them own mission. I just said reasoning session, dark in truth as how we see it, how we observe it, and how we experience it. Yeah, man, as we trod along in a Babylon. Putting one determined foot in front of the next, because the journey continues and we never blood clot get weary. Never. The journey continues, warrior upon the mission. We don't depend on blood clot battlefield. We left that with the pick the bosses in them in a prison. We love chaos. No, we find a mission with purpose and we're moving on, so we're not loyal to fuckery. You loyal to fuckery? Not you not loyal to fuckery and blood clot. I say fuckery, me I call it out. And if you don't like it, I hear blood clot business. Fuckery or fuckery. And then if you cross your boundary. Yeah, man. And that is why you find say, all somebody like me can't go in and dance, but turn up and dance to fuckery or party, whatever they want to call it. It's fucking English language. So fucking. Yeah, that's why I don't go in on them party but stand up and dance to them fuckery. No, Rasta, I prefer stay in my yard, play my own music and dance to my own beat, find my own vibration and my own vibration and rhythm. Yo, me I get tongue blood clot, I wonder if I split. Or is that the force as I try to tongue blow the thing. Yeah, man. Just say it, you know, just say it, reasoning session, just going up with the flow of the energy as the spirit guide. Talking about things that have substance that some people prefer to publicly hide. Yeah, man. And that is why you see, when it to me it's like a two-way stream, it's a two-way thing. Because some people then say, boy, you know me I touch music, you know, some people then say, boy, demand and supply, so the musicians, the player of instruments and these people who produce music and all of those things. We'll produce only folky music because our folky music alone the people are going to dance to, folky music people are going to ask for. And yeah, because me have a reason one time with somebody and them I say, boy, are the girl music a sell? Girl music a sell. Girl music a sell. So if a girl them, who buy the girl music them? Because when they sing about something, when they sing about them kill this girl, then they're not walking a man, they might wait pan to mind them. So who buy the girl music them? Is it the woman? What kind of confusion that? What kind of confusion that? If you take out the substance out of music and give a fuckery and say a girl music a sell or a this a music a sell. But who buy girl music? Girl music, well, I know that kind of fuck up because I want yeah, that's a story for one of that. You never let class go down this. No, sir, we're not going this. No, we're not going this. We're not going this because that's one of that spin off from the loyalty to fuckery, eh? About that. So some people are going to dance some decent women are going to dance or in a party and hear music where deep up and degrade them and feel good for dance to it. And dance to them the same thing like us. And even if say you only cater to the demand for that kind of fuckery. Let's say you cater to a demand for that type of fuckery. Yes, there's a market for that type of fuckery. So there's a market for that type of fuckery and it's profitable to you. It's profitable to you because you get a food, you eat a big food. And pay back your dues to society by making the artist eat a food to all who a fuckery might sing or a fuckery she sing. But you make the artist eat a food because you pay back your dues to society. But what about your dues to humanity? What about paying back your dues to humanity? Yes, you're a part of the society, but aren't you a human being first? And if you know, say, when you produce contamination, when you spit out contamination, when you do that, you're sitting there on the rhythm and the vibration. Who you pay dues to? Humanity, society, or yourself? No, we can't dance to any music, we can't dance to any fucker, so that's why we never go on a certain dance floor. Also, we don't go on a certain dance floor because we don't dance to no blood clot fucker. Yeah, some good music out there. Yeah, some nice vibration and music out there. Where people can latch on because they find some good vibration already music can latch on to. I'll dance that. Because some of the same artists they sing fuckery. When they get the opportunity and they can if they do it for themselves or they probably sometimes want to think because all the YouTube thing, you know. But them can just do them thing and fuck off with who and be liar to fuck because if you see enough look at young artists want to come out and spit certain thing, you know. If you see enough look at young artists want to come out and spit and make them mouth fire certain gunshot with some truth. And them are going to do it, they're not going to do it. After they have to wait for no blood clot producer or one producer, one dominant producer where them just monopolize the blood clot system. No, they can go freelance and become independent and forever stay blood clot independent and still get themselves out there. Because they might do it now too. For them. Because where you go fight for get you're sitting for play up on radio, and be a blood clot fuckery up on the radio and Piola and all if what kind of name they want to call them blood clot self. Yeah. Good music, you know for blood clot. You pay for produce it, you know for pay for play it. You know for bomber clot, pay for play it. And then we are played for pay blood clot, you for play it. We get the opportunity to get them type of vibration, if you make people want to tune in to them, to listen to you. And them for blood clot pay the artists, but they want the artists them pay them. Pay them for play good music. No more no blood clot. Listen to I'm just gonna listen to on a tune them part thing there. If on YouTube. The first artist me know ever give a album for free. The first artist me ever see they give an album for free at Tanya Stevens. I think she did give it infallible online for free. And tell me here some blood clot people that are question now if equality or the song if them good. A big blood clot bad album there. Big bad album there. And enough of them songs, you don't hear them on the radio. Never hear them on the radio down in Jamaica. And it has speak to a lot of blood clot things that the album is big and bad. Still big and bad, can still fire it all the time. Yeah. Loyalty to fuckery. Or somebody be loyal to fuckery and just be comfortable with it. Imagine I'll say somebody that's why we couldn't be a blood clot soldier, you know. We couldn't be a bomber, we couldn't be a pussy clot. And nobody couldn't go tell me if we do certain bomber clot thing, you know. When my humanity go against a bomber clot like that. This is why I'm saying, warrior for life, following instinct, take no blood clot out for nobody if you go do it. Because you can imagine say if somebody had tell you if you do something. And in the farthest faculties of your mind, if we can say that, and the nearest, and the middleest, and whatever is, I tell you, say, no, sir, this is not feel right, or this is not right. But because of your loyalty to whatever you have to go do it, well, the people are thinking, I kill them out, slide, and you was young back in the day, many people still do that, you know, like, I know toothpaste if I know blood clot, this is a one, or if I know, this is a garden branding, you know, so if I know, if this is a, hey, I loyalty to fuck with some people get rich off only, you know. Yeah, man. And you come to think about it. Loyalty to fuck with. If I go for my one blood clot road, me alone. Which me there now, me alone, dip on my road. Now have nobody fi ask nothing, now see nobody fi ask nothing. Anything me want to know, teach myself or find it out for myself. And it makes sense, it makes a whole heap of sense, and I think, so it's not even say, yeah, isolate yourself, you know, no. It's that How else you going to know your purpose? How else you going to know your purpose? If you follow the crowd. You follow the crowd, and you follow the crowd probably based off another man blood clot crazy idea. Crazy ideology. Other people blood clot crazy ideology. We are living at the cause all of the different wars all over the blood clot place because one man thinks it can. That weird. Yo, being loyal to fuckery. I guess it's how some people surviving in this man's world. Surviving in a man's world. That's a story for another day. Because as a woman, you have to be blood clot skilled to survive in this man's world. But that's a story for another day. Loyalty to fuckery. You can't imagine. Say you say you're your sister and your bridge and you're somebody's son. Or no son tight. And them are the fuckery and you can't tell them say them are the fuckery because you're afraid it mash up the friendship. How are you loyal to? And how are you loyal to the fuckery or the friend? Or for whatever reason, you fear, say, so you have to stay loyal, or you see the person and the fucker, you have to stay loyal. Why? Everything must make up different to be like, make up different. Actually, make up different. Yes, I am. Lioness on the mission. Yeah. Ever journey now, you know? 2020. What are you loyal to? Have you ever asked yourself the question then? What are you really loyal to, or who are you loyal to? Because if you, deep inside, you go against something that you don't, that in deep in your inner core is not with, is against, but you go with it because of somebody else's ideology or because you're loyal to, say you're loyal, quote unquote loyal to somebody else. I mean, how could you sleep with yourself? How can you sleep with yourself? Because after that, if you're loyal to that person, after that person gone out, you gone out your bed. Because every night, every man sleep, every man sleep alone. Because when you shut in here, I'm alone and in your own space. And then when you think back over your actions, and every time you come upon that action where you do open, you hear them two, you hear them wide open when you do it. It's not like say you're blindfold when you do it, you hear them wide open when you do it. And you come upon that memory as you lie down to go to sleep. Your body not cringe. And if your body not cringe, then you're what? And if you make your body a cringe, or you allow that and continue day in, night out by being loyal to fuckery. You don't like yourself. Who you supposed to be? You're not loyal to self then. Because if either self a cringe when them come up on certain memory, or self have to walk around certain memory because them don't want to cringe. So where is your loyalty lie? You can't lie to you can't have your loyalty not something for you give away so where you hurt yourself when you're loyal to fuckery that is why I can't be loyal to fuckery because I love myself too much so I can't loyal to fuckery because if I loyal to fuckery every time I come up on that memory because I have to come up on my I have to come up on my memory. There are times when I have to come up on my memory because I have to self-reflect so that I know that I am growing. So I have to analyze myself and self-reflect. You understand? Because I dwell it in the temple of man. You understand? I have to check myself. And if I think I will make I cringe every time, I may go want can't face that memory day. It's like I can't even face myself in a mirror. So then why would I allow it to continue? Why should I allow it to continue? Because what? Of that person? I have that ideology, I have that religion, I have that fuckery. No blood clot. No, I have. That's a dishonor in myself and I know blood clot dishonor. I don't dishonor myself for peace. No more bomb clot. I say blood clot, man. I have to know that the deception of around 10 feet blood clot under. Layer after layer, but better blood clot life, me a peel back everyone. Cause me nah be loyal to no bomb clot body fuckery. Cause when night come, yeah man, if you sleep comfortable, peaceful rest. And when I'm here, I say me honest, me truthful. My integrity stand up and it in front of it. It stand up as the shield in front of me. My integrity precede me. Yeah. So when time I go for sleep at night time, cause my only loyalty is to truth and self. And myself equal truth. I and I self equal my truth. You know, this is when nobody don't know nobody else. I don't know about me, I self, because I go to a university. You understand? I mean university. So I loyal to me. Loyal to a blood clot else. If them a step in a shit and I go and like say, they must say blood clot, man. Me not take blood clot, shame face. You think me go take shame face and shit blood clot monkey and I must say bomba clot man. For what? You say me a part of the what? Me don't want to be a part of nothing blood clot. Me want to stand. Me don't want to be a part that you can't shine this so. Or you have to shine. Or if you shine if you're loyal to fuckery, because you can imagine you could be one in a zillion loyal to fuckery and one in a million loyal to fuckery that you don't get lost in a bomb clock crowd with everybody else. Hey, just say it, yes sir, just say it, oh me see it. Just say it 101. So me see it, that's how the spirit flow. But think about it though. Makes that. Yeah man. Makes that. Check yourself. I. Yeah man. I tell I that all the time and snap in my glass sometime. Before I go on bed and wake up here man. Did you check yourself? Measure, confirm, checked, yeah man. So crazy, don't it? Yeah man, me love it. Love it. Am I kinda crazy this man? Yeah man. Not a blood clot religion now go tell me how to conduct and behave myself. I'm a thinking bomber clot man. So me I say, yeah man, peace out. Like, share and subscribe. And we catch you next time. And don't forget to what? Leave a comment. I align is saying one love all the time.
the time get cold, just like a blanket keeps me warm. Yeah. I him alone when I'm alone. Always have my back all when I fear I'm on my own. Yes, guide and protect me through the storms, and when the time get cold, hey, he make me see the sunrise daily. Provide the food all when the boss fail for pay me. Protect I from the ones we said them rate and really hate me. And one said dose to dose, ashes to ashes. Heart to love to pour them island. Sprinkle them powder, telling the people with rivers to cross who feel they can't get over. Psalms 23rd, I beg your feet on in word. Show love, no war, go on your knees, no go bad. I him alone when I